Are you trying to figure out what happened in your past relationship? Or are you currently in a relationship and something's just not right and you feel that there's a missing piece? Well, here are three pillars that are going to allow you to have a successful relationship. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Monique Waratney, and I'm an international speaker and author. And today we're going to be looking at the three pillars of a successful relationship. But before we get into it, type in the comments below if you're currently in a relationship. Drop a 2 and what you're looking to do to better that relationship. And if you're currently single and loving it, hating it, looking for your love, type a 1 and what you're looking for your current relationship or your next relationship. Now, let's get into it. The first pillar is respect. One of the major things that I see in relationships are name calling and teasing, which are a huge disrespect. Some people play it off of, oh, they're just teasing and they're just joking around. But that teasing gets into the back of your head and you start to resent your partner. Or if you're the one doing the teasing, they start to resent you and you start to get this disconnect in the back of your mind. Respect is such a huge thing, and it's something that can be worked on and can grow when you learn more about each other. And that's what brings us into the second pillar, communication. If you don't have communication, you don't have a relationship. And if you don't have that respect, then you can't have communication. How are you supposed to have a relationship if you're unable to share what your thoughts are, what your dreams are, of what you're going to do throughout your day, if you feel like you're going to get a lashback from it? Personally, when I've been in relationships and have been straightforward and honest about what I'm looking for or what I'm looking to do or what my goals are, I've had some people actually say, well, what's the hidden meaning, or what do you mean by that? And you must mean this instead. No, I'm telling you straight up. This is exactly what I am looking for, what I'm wanting in life, what I'm looking to do in my day, and what I want to get out of my day. Why waste time doing a hidden messages? There's no time for that. We're only here for a short amount of time in the world. So be straightforward and honest with your partner. And yes, we do love our friends, and it's wonderful that they are there for support for us. But when you go and talk with your friend about what's going on in your relationship, instead of talking with your partner, then there's a disconnect again, because how is your partner supposed to know what's going on and what you're feeling about the current situation if you're not talking to them about it? But you feel, yeah, they should know what's going on because I've said it, but you didn't say it to them. Type a heart emoji in the comments if, this comment sort of took you to heart, because it happens more times than you expected. And it's because we know that when we go to our friend, they're not going to be judging us if there has been a disrespect, or it's a lot easier because we're not facing the problem head on. Face your partner, tell them exactly how you feel, and see where that communication goes. But remember that first pillar, and have respect when you're communicating. Now, the third and final pillar, a lot of people jump into relationships with the third pillar alone. And that's okay. That's our human instinct. But you're able to build these other two pillars. And that third pillar is love. When you have love in a relationship, and it's that all-encompassing love, it's the umbrella term of compassion and understanding as well. So when you share that love and you share love with one another, you're able to do that freely with communication and showing that with respect. So, yet again, you need respect to have good communication. And in order to have love and show love, you need good communication. So, these are the 3 pillars, and you really can't have one without the other. Let me know if this makes sense in the comments, and if there's a pillar that you want to dive a bit more into or see how you can expand that in your relationship. And if this video helped you in your relationship, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, or even share this video with your partner so you have something to communicate with them about tonight over dinner. This should be able to help you grow. And if not, then let's work on some communication, because your love for one another is there. And with both of you respecting each other, you're able to make that love grow for the future. Until the next video, stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you then.